YouTube and Instagram down here. Just gonna go over a quick little tool haul. We have a place up here in Canada called the Restore. It's a part of Habitat for Humanity, and people donate stuff to them and they resell it. And I got everything in that box there. This is everything here. Got a couple snap-on items. Snap-on screwdriver. It's got a little bit of a grind on it. We have here a blue point. Not sure if you're going to be able to see that or not. Blue point. Let's try that. That's the old style blue point too. And I'm not sure if the snap-on code's the same as the blue point. I think it is. I'll have to look that up. Star. Some of the other stuff here. There's a very plain looking Mac. Focus you. Focus. This one here is a Craftsman. 3/8, 7/16. This one was kind of a surprise. Stahlville, German. Kind of a nice body on it. Feels fairly thin. There's an industrial super. Industrial super. And it's 11/16 on one side and 1932 on the other. This one here, I think there was another one of these there, smaller one. I might go back over there and see. That's 3/4 on one side, 5/8 on the other. This is the company, made in the USA. There's a couple sockets here. This one's an Armstrong, 15 mil. We got a Craftsman V code, 1932, 30 seconds. A couple screwdriver bits. There's another screwdriver bit. But it's one of the ones that you can adjust. You can change the bit in it, I think. Pretty sure that's an Allen key head. We got a Craftsman. I think this is a cutting block for an anvil or something. If you steel, you hammer it over that and it cuts it. Not sure. I may or not have that. Alright, this is pretty cool. Let's see if you can see that or not. That's proto set. I'm sure that was kind of cool. Shit, it's not going to focus, are you? Oh. I almost had it. But in any case, take my word for it, it is a proto. Let's see if we can get it here. Yeah, I gotta get a stand. A tripod. Alright, but what's kind of cool about this, 7/16 here. And on this end here, it is a 3/4. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sockets. So you're wondering, hey, how the hell does that happen? Well, we got some of these odd sized ones. That one's 25, 30 seconds. Let's see. This one's 21, 30 seconds. This one's 19, 30 seconds. And yeah, that's kind of cool. Alright, screwdriver here. So, Wera, German made. Yeah, it looks a little rough, but that should be okay. These needle nose pliers are kind of cool. It's a little different shape compared to the traditional ones. And there's a little bit of a knurling on the very end of them. But otherwise, they're just pretty basic. You can kind of see through them. But yeah, I think that's for doing the chainmail, if I'm not mistaken. Very cool. And we have an old Sears. I'm just going to focus it out. Focus. Come on. There we go. Sears. Yeah, let's see if we can get that to focus in on one of these. There we go. Proto. Yep. Very cool set. Then we got one of these knot wheels. And a couple of cookies and a holder for hook and loop. But yeah, that's my little tool haul. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. And, oh yeah, I didn't pay much for this. I think it was like $8. That's a pretty good deal. Alright, have a great evening. Bye.